Tractor Supply, y'all.
Tractor Supply. Everybody trying to get propane. Look at that line. That don't make no sense. That line. Everybody trying to get propane. Let's line up. And we admitted it, y'all. We done been to 2 or 3 of them. Everybody scared of that ice storm coming in. Look at it. Gas jug.
Alright, family, so this is how we heat the house. We do not pay the heating company in the wintertime, and it saves our bill all the way from like $200 to $300 less by getting propane. And here's somebody else sitting here with his tank. I think he got 2, and we have 5. I'm waiting on the tanks to go on sale again so I can get one of the 100-gallon tanks. But I'm sitting right here in the car and baby's getting all the tanks out. But you want to save on your heating bill? Do propane heaters. People steady pulling up, y'all. Steady pulling up. And just FYI, when you first start getting propane tanks, you can get them from like the stores already pre-filled, but once they run out, then you take it to the U-Haul place or Tractor Supply. We got a rewards program with Tractor Supply, so that's why we come to Tractor Supply. But you can just get it refilled. It's cheaper to get it refilled than it is to keep getting tanks that are already filled up. And then here goes somebody else walking up. He got a tank in his hand. Everybody got a tank. For this week, it's supposed to be 12 degrees 3 days, 7 degrees one day, and 5 degrees another day. So trying to get our tanks. And then we got 2 more at home that's running right now, keeping the house warm, and they heat up really fast, y'all. For all 5 of our tanks, because we do 5 at a time, and then we wait till we get down to the last 2, and then we bring 4, if that makes sense. And it's like $50 to fill them all the way up. Yes, win-win.
Of course, that's the good thing about it. It is tax. A down 50,000 BTU, torpedo heater up there. This took 2 bottles of gas to thaw that shit out.
It don't shatter though.
No, it don't. It expands and went right back. Thank God. But it was froze solid. That was the first winter I was in there when we got down, like 4 degrees or something. Here 2 or 3 winters ago. That was freezing. I didn't even. Had water running, but it was water running to the kitchen when it got me. I didn't have it on. I had a heater right in front of the sink, but I didn't think about it. I wasn't used to it. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah, that was good. I like that guy had it. It had wheels on it. You see that? That was pretty slick.
People buying propane tanks, filling up propane tanks, talking about where to get them filled if Tractor Supply run out of propane. Woo. I'm always ready for the winter storm.